Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in this world. I am in an underground parking. Exciting. It is indeed very exciting because this episode is about a multi-day trek. I have a family with me who want to go on a bonding session, a bit of memory making, but it's a multi-day trek. We're doing around about 33 miles, so a couple of days of good powerful hiking.
Area.
Okay.
And it is like, I mean, I do kind of fit the bill, but like posh, like Minor and Henry's, sort of like,
Yeah.
I just think it lacks character.
All right.
Very good.
Yes.
No sirens like you get in Stratford. Is this the park now?
Either one. Either one. Water break?
Yeah, very good idea.
To capture.
It's a little bit misty, so my camera won't pick it up particularly well.
You get better views from up there.
Yeah.
Ali, so you see, I mean, we're pretty high up. It just doesn't feel, because they're all pretty gradual climbs, right? Incredible. You like it?
Oh, it's a fab view, isn't it?
You like it?
Yes, very much so.
Well, the sun's starting to go down.
Yeah. 16:48 time.
some incredible. Yeah, I love that. I love that.
How are we looking distance?
How's the Apple Watch, Ali?
Don't know. It'll just turn off.
Can you not bank it, what you've done?
Yeah, I'll bugger, I'll bank it now.
Yeah, I would.
What are we on? I think we're on exactly 15. 15:01.
Okay.
How about that?
Just bank it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Just bank it, because then you know if you add another, let's say, mile because of the diversion, then you know you can calculate that.
Yeah.
Oh, you want your mates to see it?
Yeah, that's
Well, well, well. Absolutely beautiful. We're nearly, I think, 7.5 hours in walking. As you can tell, we're observing a sunset. But we did start quite late this morning, meaning it was a timed start. And we're about half a mile away from where we're staying, having some nice hot food, shower up first, and then some nice hot food, because I am hungry. But it's been great. We did have a little bit of a diversion halfway, so all in all it'll probably be around about 16 miles by the time we're done. But there was a bit of a diversion simply because HS2 has moved its diversion trails and given us other points of diversion, and I'm getting messages from people at the same time, so I've finally got reception. We're nearby somewhere. Yeah, so HS2 has, which it often does, just moves its path posts from here to there without much notice. But at least they give you a little bit of a guide where to go, and where we had to go was an extra mile, 1.2 miles. It's okay, it's fine. It's been a lovely day. I hope you've enjoyed the first day for the moment, and see you at the tavern. Yes, done it. We're here. Day one complete. It's been a beautiful day. We haven't had any rain. I was expecting a bit of rain, none. And tomorrow is meant to be nice and sunny all day, so I can't wait. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that one. We're gonna jump into the tavern, go to our rooms, cool down, shower up, and then come down for some yummy food. Yeah, look at it. Good morning, good morning. Welcome, day 2 of our multi-day trek. There we have Ali. Simon's in the back. We've just had breakfast, had a good night's sleep in a lovely tavern, and now we are surrounded by beautiful nature straight away, including some glorious sunshine. Let's go. Good morning. The smiles on the faces now. Yes. Oh my. Oh yes.
Oh wow.
Oh yes.
Holy.
We've got a kite in the air there. Let's see what the compadres say.
Oh my lord. Nice day for it. You just know the camera's never going to do it justice.
Nope. Nope.
That's Princess Frisbee, is it?
No, that's that way.
No, what's this?
Cadston.
Ah, this is Cadston.
This is why we hike.
Yeah.
For this.
Wow.
And what a cracking day.
Yeah.
You know, it's a perfect clear day. Simon, look at the size of these trees. The beeches, beautiful beeches. Probably 150, 200 years old. They're huge, and the ones down there. Amazing.
It'll be up all night, isn't it?
I remember when I did the year, I was in year 10.
Yeah.
Some of the year 12 brought some alcohol and trip.
Okay.
Port.
Alright.
Simon, we thought we heard some deer.
Well, this is sort of place I'll be.
Yeah, it was up on that hill. That would have been our little pub stop, but we ended up sitting right there because the pub is closed. It is a Wednesday, and I guess they don't get much of a crowd on a Wednesday afternoon, so temporarily closed. Anyway, it's a beautiful little village, a little hamlet. Let's keep walking. So serene. Beautiful, beautiful bird song.
The bee just whacked
straight full on.
Or in the face.
Yeah, the jump.
Yeah, it's a very dense wood, this. You alright, Simon?
Yeah.
Enjoying the deep woods?
Yeah, it's lovely.
It's gorgeous, isn't it? That's it, folks. We are not far from the end. About a mile and a half to go. So it's been a fantastic 2 days. Lots of miles, lots of beautiful viewpoints, a lovely tavern, great food, good company. And this is one of my private guided hikes, multi-day hikes or treks, whichever way you look at it. It's long distance and it's beautiful. Anyway, I am going to leave you here because I just want to enjoy the rest of it. Like I said, it's about a mile and a half to go, and I just want to put the camera away now. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have got to the end of the video, then please go ahead and subscribe, like the video if you've enjoyed it, and at the same time check out shamirshah.com and look at the hikers clubs and the public hikes, as well as the private hiking page, which will help you contact me if you're interested in doing multi-day private treks. I will see you out and about. Peace.